There's something deeply satisfying about growing your own food and nurturing your soil without relying on chemical fertilizers. For centuries, farmers across the globe have known the secret to truly fertile soil. Certain crops, grown and rotated wisely, can naturally enrich the earth beneath them. These ancient crops, passed down through generations, have stood the test of time, not only feeding people, but feeding the soil itself. Today, their powerful ability to improve soil fertility is more relevant than ever, especially for gardeners seeking sustainable, chemical-free practices. In this guide, we'll explore 7 remarkable ancient crops that supercharge soil fertility. These plants bring nitrogen back into the soil, improve structure, and stimulate a thriving microbial community. By incorporating these crops into your garden, you can build resilient, nutrient-rich soil without ever reaching for synthetic fertilizers. Why ancient crops matter for soil health. Before we dive into the specific plants, it's important to understand why these ancient crops remain valuable today. Soil fertility isn't just about nutrients, it's about maintaining a balanced ecosystem underground. Fertile soil supports beneficial microbes, holds moisture, prevents erosion, and cycles nutrients efficiently. Many modern farming methods, actually deplete soil because they focus heavily on just one crop or rely on chemical additives. In contrast, ancient cropping systems integrated plants that enhanced the soil naturally, which allowed farmers to maintain productivity for generations. The plants we'll discuss today all share a unique trait. They contribute directly or indirectly to the health and vitality of the soil. Whether it's through nitrogen fixation, deep root systems, or organic matter production, these crops help regenerate soil fertility and honestly, build a living foundation for all plants. Clover, the unsung hero of nitrogen fixation. Clover is arguably one of the most famous ancient soil builders. Native to Europe and Asia, it has been used in crop rotations and pastures for thousands of years. Its ability to form a symbiotic relationship with nitrogen-fixing bacteria in its root nodules allows it to pull nitrogen directly from the air and deposit it into the soil. This natural fertilizer nourishes the plants that follow, reducing or even eliminating the need for added nitrogen. Gardeners can plant clover as a cover crop or, even as a living mulch between rows. It's fast-growing, drought-tolerant, and honestly, attracts a lot of beneficial pollinators. Fava beans are, true ancient powerhouses for both soil and plate. Because it's a legume, it thrives in poor soils and leaves behind a rich nitrogen supply when turned under or allowed to decompose. Fava beans have been cultivated for over 8,000 years and played a vital role in Mediterranean agriculture. Like clover, fava beans are legumes that fix atmospheric nitrogen into the soil. What sets them apart is their large biomass, which means they add significant organic matter when incorporated back into the soil. Fenugreek, the ancient fertility booster. Their deep roots help break up compacted soil, improving aeration and water infiltration. This makes them especially useful in heavier clay soils where drainage and root penetration are challenges. Pigeon pea, the drought-tolerant fertilizer tree. In addition to their soil benefits, fava beans are a nutrient-rich food source, making them a dual-purpose crop for gardeners who want to grow both healthy soil and healthy meals. Fenugreek is a lesser-known but powerful crop that has been used for thousands of years in Asia and the Middle East. It's another legume with nitrogen-fixing properties, but what makes fenugreek unique is its rapid growth and ability to thrive in marginal soils. Farmers traditionally used fenugreek as a green manure, planting it between crop cycles to quickly replenish nitrogen and organic matter. Alfalfa, often called the queen of deep-rooted soil builders, is truly remarkable. It also produces a dense canopy that suppresses weeds and, protects the soil from erosion. Gardeners looking to revive tired or nutrient-poor soil will find fenugreek a valuable ally, especially when it's combined with other cover crops. Pigeon pea is a hardy legume native to India and Africa, widely grown for both its edible pods and its soil-enhancing qualities. Lupine is known as the vibrant nitrogen fixer with soil-building roots. It stands out for its deep taproot system that accesses nutrients and moisture deep in the soil, bringing them closer to the surface and making them available to subsequent crops. This crop can fix nitrogen efficiently and is well suited to dry, challenging climates where, honestly, other plants struggle. Its woody stems add substantial organic matter after harvest, slowly decomposing to enrich the soil over time. So let's talk about cowpeas, often called the adaptable soil enhancer. Pigeon pea is just perfect for gardeners who are dealing with drought conditions or, anyone looking to build fertility in poor soils while still harvesting some food. Alfalfa, by the way, has a rich history that goes all the way back to ancient Persia. Known as the queen of forages, it's prized not only for livestock feed, but also for its incredible ability to improve soil health. Now let's look at how you can bring these ancient soil superchargers into your own garden. Alfalfa's roots actually penetrate far deeper than most garden plants, sometimes reaching several feet underground. This deep rooting helps break up compacted layers, improves water infiltration, and even mines minerals from those deep soil layers. When alfalfa decomposes, it deposits these minerals and organic matter right near the surface. It also fixes nitrogen, naturally enriching the soil. Because of its robust growth, alfalfa is often used as a long-term cover crop or green manure, helping to restore depleted fields over time. So final thoughts. Learning from the past really helps us grow the future. Lupine, which is native to the Americas and Europe, is often admired for its bright and beautiful flowers, but honestly, its benefits go way beyond just aesthetics. Lupine is actually a legume that fixes nitrogen and can thrive in poor sandy soils where, other crops might fail. If you're ready to bring these timeless crops into your own garden, it's a good idea to start small and just observe how your soil responds. As you do this, you'll be connecting with centuries of agricultural knowledge that, continues to prove its worth even today. If this guide inspired you, be sure to subscribe and share it with fellow gardeners who are eager to grow vibrant, fertile soil naturally. Together, let's cultivate gardens that honor ancient wisdom while also nourishing the future.